taking forever. Alright, I believe I'm live. Yeah, I got my own notification. I'll give it a little bit just to have like a bunch of people join. And like till I'm able to load my same page on YouTube basically. I forgot to open it. Yeah, okay, the notification. How's the music? It's the same as like, it's the same playlist. It's just playing a very different song. I cannot change it. I don't know how. I have a bunch of viewers. Yo, what's up, Aditya? I'm gonna be solving a bunch of nonsense questions. Hopefully it turns out to be something good. Why is your chat showing up? Your chat should show up. 1 second, huh? Yo, Ragini, what's up? Alright, so what we're gonna be doing is, I'm starting right now. Yeah, so what we're gonna be doing is, today we're hopefully going to solve all 5 of these arrays problem. I see, should have done this for code beta. Yeah, I wish. No, I read the message. You cannot retract it anymore. I responded to it. Yeah, your message is up here as well. It's written in history. Okay, so given a 6x6 2D array R, we define an hourglass in A to be, what is A? Third is R. We define A to be a subset of values with indices falling in the pattern in R's graphical representation. What? There are 16 hourglasses in R, and an hourglass sum is the sum of an hourglass's values. Okay. Hopefully. No. How dare you. Calculate the hourglass sum for every hourglass in R and then print the maximum hourglass sum. For example, given the 2D array, we calculate the following 16 hourglass values. Oh, there are 4 hourglasses. They're like adjacent to each other, I guess. Like this -9 whole thing is 1 hourglass, and then this, like this bit, and then this pipe, and then this bit, this is another hourglass. I think that's what they're saying. Our highest hourglass value is 28 from the hourglass. Damn. Okay. 04318666. Where is it? 04318666. Okay. And the sum of it was 28. If you have already solved the Java domains Java 2D array challenge, you may want to say, I don't want to skip this challenge. I don't like Java. I think Java is a bad language. Oh man, the chats went away. The chats are broken. Sorry guys. Okay, print the largest maximum hourglass sum. Okay, I just have to print the sum. So why did it tell me all this nonsense? So I guess the best approach would be to have like a cookie cutter approach. Some coffee. Stop retracting your message. Okay. So I have to find all the hourglasses, and then I have to calculate the sum, and then I have to store them somewhere and then find the maximum of it. And I only have to print the sum. I don't have to print like what index it was. So that solves all my problems. And now this is in Python, but I promised my friend that I would do it in C++. So we're in C++ now. Let's do it. gonna lose all my fans in like 2 seconds. Let me keep. Fine. My tab key is not working. Every other key is working except for my tab key. Fine. So we have to iterate through this vector of vectors. Okay. For int I equal to 0, I'll say I less than dot size. Is it dot size? Is this a function? Don't remember. It'll give me a compiler error if it is. I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j less than r dot size minus 2, j plus plus. What am I doing? Yeah, fine. And then some brackets. Alright, so first I'm going to be iterating through the array, but I want to stop 2 places beforehand. So if my array is of size 6, I want to just iterate through these 4 elements, and I'll check this, and this point for every index. So I can just find the max over here itself. I'll say, oh, now the indentation works. Wow. What is this? Fine. I'll say if do I know it's an integer? Yes, I do. So I'll have an int maximum power. Wait, no, but you can have negative numbers. Is there like a minus infinity in C++? Let's check. Negative infinity in C++. What is this? Okay, there is a function, I just don't know what this means. Okay, let's just do size of a vector as well. Size of a vector in C++. Yeah, oh yeah, I got it right. Nice. I'm getting a bunch of notifications. I hope you can't hear them. Anyways, they're behind me right now, so it doesn't matter. How do I get over the minimum wala thing? Negative infinity. Yeah. Okay, so first off, in the constraints, we know that the array is going to be between -9 and +9. Okay. Oh, that helps. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in an hourglass, right? So what is -9 into 7? Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm revealing how bad I am at math. -63. Okay, so I'll just have this be -100 because I forget every time. Oh my god, indentation. Why is my tab key not working? See, it works here. I don't know why it's not working here. Oh, I got it. It's because Emacs. Yeah. See, now the indentation works. Good. Good for me. So I'll have a cup of coffee first. Or like a cup of milk. Okay, if no. int sum is equal to, what is sum equal to? I comma j plus alright, let's just go line by line. I plus 1 j plus I plus 2 j plus I plus 1 j plus 1. So I hope you guys, तेरे को चैट नोटिफिकेशन बहुत लेट आ रहा है. हाँ एक्चुअली I plus 1 j plus 1 and then I j plus 2 plus I plus 1 j plus 2 plus I plus 2 j plus 2. I'm so happy I did in like a different line, because otherwise if I tried to do it in the if statement I would have confused myself too much. Okay, if sum is greater than maximum, maximum equal to sum, and then I just return maximum. Let's run it and check how many compile errors I got. Oh, the chat fades. Oh, that's why. Well, I got one right. So my output was 18, the expected output. Okay, this is the -9 wala. So let's look at the -9 wala. This is it. So I'm supposed to get 28. Why did I get 18? I'm going to printf my debug code. So I'll just printf the sums. And yeah, I'm using printf instead of stdcout because I don't know, just to differentiate like what I'm doing. Should have put a space. And I'll put like 2 colons as well, just to be safe. Okay, for this one, didn't get 28 anywhere. Or they get 28. You got 63, 34, -9 and 12. I got 45, 21, -8 and 15. I'm adding the wrong numbers apparently. This has to be 63, right? See, if this is I and j, like I comma j, this is I plus 1 comma j, I plus 2 comma j, or is it? Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm doing this laterally or transpose. I don't know. I'm trying to use a big word. You know what I mean. Wait, I think I can change the chat setting to be like not fading. Shut down right now. Why is this working? No, it's the same thing. I know, it should have worked. Wait, let me just print each of these values maybe. Yeah, I'm not using actually I should use printf. I don't know how many times I printed that, I'll check later. So +1 +2 +1 +1 +1 maximum equal to long min. Okay, is that like a keyword? Sorry, enum, like this? I await your response with impatience. +2 +1. This will be +2 and +2. Hopefully this works. And then like a bunch of /n's just to be safe. So mainly I want to check the first one and then I'll just compare the sum of it. So I got 1 1 1 1 1 1. Alright, these all should be 1. Why is there 0? Okay, we have zeros. I'm adding the wrong indices. How? Maybe this isn't the place to... Maybe my understanding of arrays are just like 90 degrees. Now I should get all ones. Yep. Alright, I got all ones and I got 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. So 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, yeah. This is what I have to add. So see, I learned something new about myself. The new thing being that I'm a moron. Sum plus equal to... I'll just do it this way, it's easier. Just copy this and... Is there no alt click? Oh, there is. Why? So apparently if we press delete, it just changes the multi-line editing. I'm probably going to get like a speed error or something, but I'll fix that later. Yeah, I got it. Let's submit. Oh man, why? What are the chances it was a speed error? It wasn't. They expected -6. And what did they get? They won't tell me. They expected -6. Okay. My output was 0. What is the value of long min? I don't know. Print %d long min. Let's run. What? Oh, semicolon. There is nothing related to a semicolon over here. Oh, okay. You know what? I like my negative 100 much better. So what's happening is long min gets like overloaded to 0, underloaded, what do you call it, whatever, it just converts itself to 0. Yeah, see, I got -6 now. Work hard, not smart. Yo, got it. Look at that, I got 15 points. Now 151 out of 200 is 51%. What are these maths? Oh my god. Fine, next challenge. Array is left rotation. So it's like a 2D array, we have to turn like leftwards, I guess. No, it's a 1D array. Oh. This is easy. So you have 5 and then you give 4 and then it's like you turn, like you rotate it like 4 steps to the left. That's it. This is easy. D equal to 4 left rotations, the array undergoes the following sequence of changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the order is maintained, it's just left shifted. So the array and then how many times I have to shift it. Okay. Do I want a for loop? I don't know. When I use -100, it is giving me same 0 answer. And when I use long min, it gives me -6. You were probably using a long int. I was using a regular human int as opposed to a non-human int. So let's just store the size of the array in like one place. One sec. Yeah. So let's store the size of the array in some place. And what do we do next? How would I left shift? There would be some swapping involved. But something to note is when you're confused about what to do, just open up Paint and draw whatever you want. Like you start drawing out your problem and it explains like what you need to do. Alright, so I have an array over here and let's say it has the same values as they said. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I need to left shift. So what I would do is I would start here. Elbow. Oh no, that's not even a dabbing emoji, that's an elbow cough. Okay. So I'll need an extra variable somewhere over here. I'll make a box. And in my box I will put 1. I'll put 2 over here. No. I'll put 2 in the box. No, I will not. How will I do this? Maybe I can start at this end. So I put 1 in the box. And then I start at 5. So I say, so I put 1 over here and I put 5 in the box. Then I put 4 here and then 5 comes here. Okay, and then I put 3 here and 4 comes here. I hope you understand what I'm saying, but I don't understand what I'm saying. Okay, but I'm still going to try and code it in. So int box is equal to the first element, and for int coffee makes me burp. We start at the end, right? So size -1 because arrays are 0 indexed as they should be. I greater than 0, so I don't want to reach 0. I minus minus. I'm traversing it backwards. You don't have to, I don't think. Music is cat in box. Nice. Shelter in. I love these names. Wait, why is there for so it's an O of N implementation. I need to do a swap. So wait, so this is my array, that's my box, and the 1 is already in the box. I swap this, I put this here. Then I move on. I put this here. Okay, fine. Confuse myself again. Let's just write the code and see what happens. Int temp is equal to box. Box is equal to a sub I, and a sub no. Is equal to box. Box is equal to a sub I. A sub I equal to temp. Okay. Then I return the array. Return A. Again, imagine if it works first try. Compilation error, of course. Unused variable size. Oh right, I have size. Why is that an error? In function int main, running comparison of integer expressions of different signedness int and std in a size type, aka long unsigned int. Well, that's your problem, isn't it? You expected 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I swapped it once. I don't know, for int j equal to 0, j less than b, j plus plus. So if I submit this, 90% chances are it'll give me an error because it'll say I solved the test case even though I'll get the output, and the reason for that is they'll give me like a huge error, or they'll give me that. Alright, last step. After that I have to put, let's do this again. This goes here and 1 comes here, then this goes here, this comes here, this goes here. Wait, sorry, I'm drawing the lines the wrong way. This goes here, this comes here, 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 and then this goes here. Okay, right. So I just have to do box is A0 is equal to box. Stop. Where's my mouse? Fine. A0 equal to box. Imagine if this works now. Let's say, yo, it actually does work. Come on. Yo. Of course, time limits. See, I told you. I predicted it, so I won, okay? Just pretend I won. So I have to do this without this loop, basically. And the way to do it is to say I have to move everything 4 steps ahead. Let's pretend it's 4. My mouse is slipping all over the place. Sorry. So 1 is in the box, and my final array has to look like, I'll draw it over here, like behind the chats. No, I'll just put it here. If I move everything 4 spaces, this will go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is how world would look like if Karl Marx won. Well, I would just move everything here then. No, but damn, I love this song. I would say you go here and then 1, 2, 3, 4, you end up here. So I have to swap 1 and 2. Okay, so this goes here and then this goes here. Okay, then there's 2. And then I go forward. I say this goes here. This goes here, like jumping over the thing. Can I do that? Let's use a different number, I guess. If I have to move 3 steps, it would be 1 goes here, first step, second step, third step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it goes here, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I start over here and I say 3 goes here, I put 1 here, and then 3 goes here. Okay. Can I do it that way? What if I created a whole array? I'm just going to create the array and check if I exceed the size limits. Or let's just create the whole vector. Can I create a vector of a fixed size? Is equal to new vector int, I don't know, size. Heaven forbid this works. Yeah, of course. Alright, declare vector of fixed size, like an array. So I push back vect n comma 10. Okay, should have start like a default value to it. What now? I put semicolons and everything. Oh right, it's not a pointer. New creates a pointer. But I'm studying Java in class right now and it's messing with my head. All my test cases are wrong. Of course they are. So obviously I'll get all of them wrong, but I just want to check if I exceed memory limitations anywhere. Especially in the test case number 8, which is hidden. Okay, maybe it is 10. That looks like 13 steps. Fine. See, a compiler is only giving me wrong answers, so maybe I can just place them in the thing and then return that. So okay, I don't need this then. No, but I should use that. I shouldn't create a different array and store it there. Fine. Experiment failed. Int I is equal to size minus 1. So 3 goes here and then I put 1 here. And then 3 should go 1, 2, 3 steps. And then it goes. So 3 goes here and 5 goes here. And then 5 goes 2, 1. So I left rotation, right? So 1, 2, 3. So 2 goes here, 5 goes here. How do I know how many times I have to do it. I just have to change my index. So can I do? So what I like to do in such cases, I think I have an idea of what I want to do. I just create an extra function called mod, because the regular modulus operator is like very bad. So int mod int n comma int m, and what it returns is mod n m less than 0. So basically what I want to do is I want it to loop around. That's what I'm trying to find out. And half the time I forget how to do it. So it's m into k plus r. What is r now? R has the same size as n. I remember doing this before as well. I just forgot. If x is less than x. Damn, that uses loops. I don't want to. Let's just use this. Then just return x. What does this have to do with max? $200. I don't know what this means. said in the last stream also. I still don't know what it means. पहले तो I'm googling a mod function. Let's say n mod m plus n. No, Vinod, nice. Oh, I've missed an opening bracket as well. Wow. What is B? Okay, I'm gonna show you some like old ass code now. Because I remember he made a भाई powder लगाया है क्या? No dude, this is my कुदरत का स्पर्श. I believe it was in character loader or customizer. Let's start with customizer. See, you might think this is cheating, but it's not. Somehow. यही तो बातें जो बाद में याद आएगी. हाय हाय, दिल खुश कर दिया तूने तो. ऐसी public static int mod in XM. कि तनुज पाउडर लगा के लाइव किया करता था. It's not powder, okay? Stop. It's not powder, I promise. We could turmeric, huh? That's more likely. WSO cream. नहीं, turmeric ही है. Okay, now why did I create the mod function? You guys made me forget. Int currently swapping with index. See, I'm a Java programmer. You can tell because I used extremely long variable names. I need temp. I also need box. And since this is like I'm not indexing it normally, I can say currently swapping with index is equal to, what is it equal to? Alright, mod 0 minus size. Doing 0 minus size because like I have something to prove to myself. Right, box is equal to currently swap C. क्या Java programmer? How dare I say that? I'm so sorry. Forgive me, Lord. I have sinned. Not because of Java programmer. It's because I'm gay. I swap it and then I say C is equal to mod C minus D. And this will be 0 minus D comma size. Mod takes into variables. For what? And then this will mess things up. So let's pretend it doesn't exist. Well, I got 2 test cases right. So I'm doing something right. So yeah, this is the example that I used. What's different? Everything is different. 97 should be here, it's over here. 58 should be here, it's a what? How does anything work? Yeah. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. I can predict the chat before it shows up on screen. Damn, and this is the easy one. See? Heraldo, you were wrong. Oh crap. It changed it. Is it still there? Nice save. Okay, in Temical, swapping is fine. My pointer keeps changing. And it's not doing it the right amount of time. Forgiven already. Kindness is my superpower. Aww. Thank you. I don't know, let's do D minus 1. I don't know. I'm just trying things at this point. Yeah, now all my test cases are wrong. Okay, Damn, we're having a laugh riot today. Is my mod function correct? Yes, it is. I used it in my game and it was working fine in my game. And I closed VS Code anyways. This should not work. It didn't work. Is size the right index to work with? But this is Hackerrank. Oh no, is there more to that statement? I'm going to try mod 0. It should give me 0. If it doesn't, that's where I went wrong. And it hates me, absolutely. Okay, right, print was not declared. See, it's printing 0. It's giving me 0. That means... What does it mean? Why is this so badly done, but every other case is like good? Maybe it's just this case. Yeah, see, now I have different problems. Should I spend hackos on this? I don't know, you guys tell me, should I spend hackos on this? Till then I'll try to do it without spending anything. See, this is fine. Okay, fine, I'll spend it. So okay, let's do this by hand. I guess this will be the only question I do. Tomorrow I'll be working on the game engine anyways. Not tomorrow, in a few days. 2 days. Oh, and I should tell you that for my game engine stuff, I will be posting a whole bunch of stuff on my Discord, so be sure to check it out. Links in the description. What is it? Ah, damn, it messed up. Okay, fine. There are 14 things in my array. I'll have to write very small. So there's 98, 6, 7, 35, 1, 74, 79, 7, 26, 54, 63, 24, 17, 32 and 81. Okay. Now I forgot why I wrote it down. I have to swap it 7 times. Okay. So 7 times. I move this here. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 98, 67, 67, 35, 1, 74. Yes, my lines are becoming diagonal now. 79. Should add commas everywhere. And 7. Okay. Then 26. 54, 63, 24, 17, 32 and 81. Somewhere over here. Like commas everywhere. Now let's see how wrong my output was. Great, I can't even see my test case. But I spent hackers. Why is it hidden? Okay, but you know what? तारे ज़मीन का competition तू ही जीतेगा. Thank you so much. लेकिन ये वाला competition नहीं जीत रहा हूँ ना. But you know what? This gives me an idea. It's not a very good idea, but I have one. So I won't win any like Google interviews or something, but I can just create the second array like I promised I wouldn't. I'll just call it rotated, and it'll be a size, and by default it'll have 0. I need this. In fact I don't need the mod function. Shouldn't have done that. And I start at 0 and I place it in the right position. So I'll just have a thing for the right position as well. An idea can change the world thing. It should be D. No, it should be mod minus D. And size. So what I do is I just take whatever is at AI and I put it in rotated correct pass. I'll just put C. See, documentation forces me to use like big names, but I don't like to use it. And then I just return rotated. It's not memory efficient, but come on, I have 16 GB RAM. Not. And this is minus C. So what happened was I didn't change the value of C. I think it should have been plus C. Yeah, see, because it's in the wrong order. कर लेगा तू, मैं जानता, हाँ मैं भी जानता. I just wanted to not use this. Look at that. हो गया. Alright, I'm having fun. So I want you guys to tell me, should I do this one right now or should I save it for later? And just in case, I will definitely do it someday, like today or later. But I want you guys to join my Discord channel. I'll be posting some updates about my games and stuff there as well. I haven't started yet, but I will. So I don't know, we'll have fun right now. Yay. Alright, I'll do it right now. I just need one person to tell me, fuck. Alright, it's New Year's Day and everyone is lined for Wonderland roller coaster ride. Wow. There are a number of people queued up and each person wears a sticker indicating their initial position in the queue. Initial positions increment by one, from 1 at the front of the line to n at the back. Okay. Did you need to describe that? Just say 1 indexed. Any person in the queue can bribe the person directly in front of them to swap positions. If 2 people swap position, they still wear the same sticker denoting their original places in line. One person can bribe at most 2 others. Socioeconomic disparities, yo. For example, if n is equal to 8, person 5 bribes person 4, then he cuts in line in front of him. Fascinated by this chaotic queue, you decided you must know the minimum number of bribes that took place to get the queue into its current state. Okay, so I guess, why is there 2? I don't know, input format. First line contains an integer t, the number of test cases. Okay, so you put in 2 and then you say there are 5 people in the queue and this is this is what the queue looks like. So how many people did 5 have to bribe to end up in this place, and then how did 2 bribe 1? So how many total number of bribes, which is 3, and over here it's 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. So I don't know, 2 bribed 1 to cut ahead. Just share your music playlist in Discord. Want to listen to it while coding? It's so soothing. Alright, fine. I'll share it after this video. I'll share it when I get 100 subscribers. That's it. 100 subscribers. Let's go. I'm already at 85. So 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. Why is this too chaotic? It's because 5 went okay, cut more than twice. That's why. Alright, I need a dictionary for this, and the dictionary in C++ is a map. Again, it's in hard, so I assume this implementation doesn't work. Int comma int, and it will be my directory. I'll just call it directory. So basically I start from here and then I figure out, bro, you said cut more than, and I don't know why my Google, Google sucks, that's why. Okay, so I have to find the number of cuts. So I have to find the gap from its actual index. I don't need my map then. Yes. Okay. So let's say for int I equal to 0, I less than q dot size I plus plus. And I want to say, I want to count the number of oh man, I removed, no I didn't. Int cuts is equal to 0. Alright, let's start with 0 cuts. Bro, Cortana! Okay, Cortana. Hey Cortana, I have mine disabled, but I bet some of you Windows users had Cortana enabled, and she's like, hey, how can I help you? Just flip her off or something. She goes away. Okay, I think there might be some issues. I'm getting O of n square at this point because I'll have to loop over it twice, like placing every index in the right position. So like if 2 is over here, I put 2 over here and I swap it with 1. Then I have to come again and I have to put 1 in its right place, like something like that. That's not optimal. Maybe there's a different way. Bhai Corona. There's no there's no voice assistant called Corona. I wish there was, but there isn't. 5, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I can maybe count the number of swaps I need to do to get to this point. No. है तो जिंदगी है. Maybe I can take every number and I know how many times a number is greater than its right adjacent number. No. How many times it's there's a difference of 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now first let's see what all the sample test cases are. Expected output 7. Okay, why 7? So I started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 cuts ahead 1, 2, 3 times. Cuts ahead 3 times. Why did it? What? Only 8. Okay, 8 cut ahead twice. 7 cuts ahead twice. So 1, 2, and then 1, 3, 4. And 5 probably cut ahead a couple of times. How would I do this? Minimum bribes function below. So 1, 2, 5. Okay, 5 cuts ahead twice. And then 7 and 8 cut ahead once each. So I have to find how different these two arrays are. Let's open a paint. Let's get rid of this. Wow. Okay. Wait, I'll just draw it on the other screen and then I'll come back to it. No, I won't. So we start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and then we have to end at 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 7, 8, 6. So the number of, can I use bubble swap on this, bubble sort on this? Because that's what I'm doing, right? I'm swapping a greater integer in place of a lower integer. Alright, let's say I used a bubble sort. I said, so 1, 2 and then 5 goes into its place. So 1, 2 and then I swap once. So I'll just create tally marks over here. And now it's 3, 5, 4, 7. No, right. It's 3, 5, right. And then I'm over here and I put 4 over here. I put 5 like this. And then I check for 7. Wait, I put the second swap. And then 8 and 6. So I swap 6 and then I swap 8. So I have 3 swaps. And then in my second iteration I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then I swap this. So my answer should be 4, right? And my answer is 4. I think I figured it out. I have to use bubble sort, but not just any kind of bubble sort. I need to first check every time if my array is fine. I don't need to do that actually. So I iterate over size -1. And I say if qi is greater than qi plus 1. So if it's greater than the other one, it needs to swap. So I say cuts plus plus and then I swap them. How do I swap them? I use int temp. You can swap with just one variable. I don't like that implementation, it's gross. qi is equal to qi plus 1. qi plus 1 is equal to temp. See, this is why I like it. It's like it's the same size, like exact same size, just very what do you call it, mildly interesting to me. And I need to do this like until my array is sorted. So I can have int, let's have a bool, let's use bool sorted equal to false, and we'll say while it's not sorted. Okay, and no, I don't need this. I need an integer. And so I say my sort count is equal to 0 every time. I'll just have a while true over here. Let it run indefinitely. And then after the whole loop, so if I did a swap, that means I had to do a swap. So that means that my array is not sorted, right? So sort count plus plus. And then I say if sort count equals 0. So if I didn't have to swap even once, I break. And then I return, I first check how to spell return, cuts. Return statement within a value in function returning void. What? Do I have to printf? Weirdos. Sometimes they let me return, sometimes they don't. Well, I got something right. Why? 197. Alright, fine. I guess we're doing this one then. No, we're not. We're not. I think I know how to do this. The answer isn't 97. I printed the answers correctly. See this one. See, I printed 3. Here I printed 7. The coder. Hey, the coder. What's up? Percent cuts. I know what to do. I just don't know how to code it. It's because I didn't account for if you have to swap the same number more than twice. That's why I wanted the map. But damn. God damn. So it had to swap twice. That means that the number is like greater than it by 2, right? Fine, you know what? I'll use a map, but I will use it very optimally. I'll say int directory. Yes. And then how do you use a map? STD maps. G for G. Yeah. Okay, you use dot insert. And then what? What? Yo, what is this? Can't I just access it like an array? Access by key. Yeah, I can just do that. What was all that nonsense? I watched your 2D engine time-lapse video. It was great video. Thanks. Hey, you should stick around for the live stream. I'm doing it in 2 days. I believe it's this Friday. Be sure to check that one out. I'm remaking the engine from the ground up, so maybe you'll learn something from it. Vector int vect. I know. What is this now? This is different. Okay. So I need to do the swaps, obviously. And then check if map has key. Yeah, in Java. m.findKey is equal m.end. Arrival. Alright, I'll see you there. I have the check key. Why isn't this there in like a normal? Why isn't this a function? Fine. If map dot find qi equal map dot end, then what? Map dot insert qi comma 1, because I had to swap it, so I'll insert 1. Else map I plus plus, and if so, since I'm inserting it here, I should check it here itself. Qi is greater than equal to 2. Wait, I can't do 2 swaps, so it has to be greater than 2. Then I don't have to print this. Oh, I can just do cuts equal to -1. Equal to -1 and break. Do I break out of the for loop or the while loop? Break out of nested loop C++. I can use goto. How do I use goto in C++? Label colon statement. Okay. Don't break. I don't know. Go to end label, and I'll put end label over here. Too chaotic, and here I'll just put a return, so it's like normally it's not accessible, but if you go to end label, then it is accessible. It looks like it's going to give me a compile error. Yep, it's not giving me an error where I expected it to. Why is it giving it over here? Messed up the indentation somewhere. See, I'm very close to solving it. Damn. I just need to figure out how to exit. Let's just go to label. See, loop colon do. And then you skip this, just go to loop. Fine. I just changed tabs and the highlights went away. Yeah, but the error didn't go. Fine. And error missing template arguments before dot token. Wait, I didn't create. Oh, right. It's not map. I'm dumb. I'm sorry. Directory. Map is the name of the thing. Bro, solve करने के बाद ऐसे करो. Right. I'm so sorry. I forgot. If this works, I'll elbow cough twice. Remember, guys, map is like, it's not just what I call it. It's supposed. Oh my god, this is much worse. What do you want me to do? Comparison of integer expression, different signness. Yeah, this is fine. 60. This isn't my business. Wait, no, it's in map. Invalid type argument of unary star. At least tell me where the error is. I don't know, let's just check again. I'll just use simple dictionary. I'm going to include map. I don't think this bit slash C++ is doing me any good. Normally it's supposed to include map. That's how humans code. Oh my god. This makes no sense to me. I know my logic is sane because valid type of argument star. What is star? Oh. Wait, this shouldn't work. Damn, imagine if it does. Yeah, thank god it didn't. This was fine. Just testing stuff now. Just remove chunks of your code and see if it works. I believe the unique... Okay, I'm having a problem here. So now we shouldn't have the error. I'll have a different error, but I won't have this error. I won't have a compile error. Say error. What? What? Is it actually printing something? Sorry, directory. And what do I know for sure is going to be swapped? 5. 5 looks like it's going to be swapped. Is map type safe? No, see, 5 did swap, but it didn't. Maybe I'm inserting it wrong. Add things to map. C++. This is the last one. I'm already like half an hour overtime. Do I have to use the curly braces? I have to use curly braces. Oh, this is... I don't want to use a bad word. I'm already not monetized. Well, I printed it too chaotic. D. Right. Cuts. And then I should put /n over here. Next line. God damn! Why is this too chaotic? That was a happy goddamn. Don't worry about that. You have to do qi plus 1. Oh no, this is much worse. I need to do cuts equal to -1, but like still. Directory QI. I already tried this, didn't I? Yes, maybe it's 3. Yeah, but it's 1, okay. No, that shouldn't have worked. Drink a glass of water. Is a bottle okay? Ah, it's too tight. Thanks, and you guys too. Stay hydrated. Alright, for those of you joining right now, everything is too chaotic. What if I just make it less than 2 and submit? Let's just see how many of these we are getting wrong first. Wow, all of them. I could have sworn we were getting more. So why? And they're all giving me, oh wow, okay. Expected output 966. ये क्वेश्चन रुलाएगा, मैं ऑलरेडी रो रहा हूँ भाई. I have to download to view the test case. Jesus Christ. Imagine, dude, it's making me think of Jesus. I'm not even Christian. This is making me spend all my hackers. How many do I even have? I only have 221. On the bright side, I solved 66% of the sample cases. Why am I setting cuts equal to -1? So see, I'm getting the right number of cuts. It's just that I'm not able to tell if one person is cutting too many times. I'm not getting a memory problem. I'm not getting like any other issue. And this should be also be next session. Let's just see if I'm getting like this correct number of cuts. 3, 4, 3, 2 chaotic. Okay, fine. 9, 7, 2 chaotic 7. Huh. Maybe the way I'm checking it is too wrong. Maybe I have to insert. No, but it is cutting ahead, so it should be 0. I don't know. Go to end label. I always spell label wrong. Have you used the Godot engine? No, I have not used it. A lot of people keep recommending it to me. I might try it. Yeah, actually that leads me to something important. Like, I always think about having a Q&A section at the end, but I always go so far ahead of like how far I'm supposed to go that it never works out. Workouts नहीं होता यार. I don't know, should I print this over here? Shubham Singh out here having a, I don't know, bipolar disorder. What is this? I really like it for 2D games. Yeah, I might give it a shot then. What? When did one cut in line? If QI is greater than what? It's a disorder of emotions. Nice. सुशांत भाऊ को जो हुआ था apparently, allegedly. So the dictionary works fine, but 3 and 4 never swapped. It was I'm a moron. Now all my test cases are wrong. Nice. It's because of this. 25 times. Are you keeping count how many times I failed this? How dare you? Look at that, look at that. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why? Swap once, swap twice. It's not allowed to swap the third time. So 3. Okay, maybe I do need to print the dictionary label thing. I don't need this. Damn, that 25 times is now bothering me. Okay, what? No, it's the count of sorry, Babu. Oh. What? So 5. Oh. Sorry, I'm so sorry. How do I flush a map? C++ clear map. Map.clear. Directory.clear. It was checking from the older code previous entry as well. This will be wrong, but it will print the right answer. See, 3 and 2 chaotic. Nice. See, the reason my code doesn't work is the code is right, but I'm a dumbass. Look at that. तू थोड़ी फेल हुआ, तू ट्राई कर रहा एंड यू नो कोशिश करने वालों की जीत होती है. Look at that. Whoa. I got it. I'm not doing the last one now. I'm already like half an hour above. Next one I'll schedule for like 2-3 hours or something, because this was fun. Well, look, 191 out of 200 is 91%. Yay. I'm very happy. So thank you, Shafayat. Fine. Tomorrow I will do array manipulation. So I'll read the problem statement first, because this. So what happens is they'll give me the size of an array, and then you got this. Oh, thanks. Yes, so they'll give me the size of the array and the number of queries that I have to do, and what. So I'll have to create a whole array like this, fill it with zeros, and then say from 1 to 2 I have to fill it with hundreds. So like 1 and 2, this gets filled with hundreds, and then 2 and from 2 through 5 I have to add 100 to that. So from here and here I add 100, so it becomes 100, 200, 100. So it's basically like that. The explanation is here. I will do this next week. Let me just check the date. Server. I have a stream on Friday for my game engine, and 2 days after that. So my next stream will be on Monday at 4 o'clock. I hope you guys join me, and to be notified earlier, you should probably check out my Discord server. The links are in the description, and if you like what I did today,